Let's talk about spam score. We've recently launched an all-new version of Spam Score inside your email blaster. It's been completely redesigned and re-engineered from the ground up. It gives you complete visibility like you've never seen before. So, what is Spam Score? Well, wouldn't it be great if you had a way of knowing how your recipient's spam filters would react to your send before sending a single email? Spam Score gives you the ability to do just that, using some really complicated algorithms wrapped up in a really user-friendly interface. Spam Score performs thousands of checks on your campaign to help determine its spam rating. You can improve delivery and help avoid the junk folder. The tools used to evaluate your send include the following areas. Test inbox placement with Outlook, Gmail, iCloud, and Yahoo. Now this uses the same spam scoring algorithms used by the largest email providers. Live query of the 30 largest domain blacklists. Content analysis providing helpful feedback, and auto check for broken links and images. Okay, so that is Spam Score in a nutshell. Now let's take a look at some of the key areas and what they mean. First up, let's take a look at how to get Spam Score to analyse your email design. Now you simply go to the app section, click on Add More Apps and install the app. If you're a pay-as-you-go customer, it's $9.99, or if you're a full monthly subscription customer, then it's completely free. Okay, so upon launching the app, simply select your email template that you want to select and your sender profile that you intend to use with it. Spam Score will then run. You'll see the progress wheel showing you the real-time checks that it's carrying out. When Spam Score has completed all of the checks, you'll be presented with a full report page. This page gives you everything you need to know. Each tile will show you the results of all the tests that have been run, clearly labelled with a pass or a fail. Now as you can see, it's pretty comprehensive, the report available. The first 5 boxes show us how the main email service providers will view our send and if there's any inbox placement issues that we need to address. The next box along shows the Spam Assassin score. Spam Assassin is one of the largest spam filtering service employed by email service providers all over the world. If you are sending out emails, then you are going to be sending to mailboxes that are protected by Spam Assassin. By clicking on the information button top right, we can navigate to the further information page for each tile. As we can see here, the Spam Assassin page gives us a lot of material to work through. This tile alone is a really handy tool for diagnosing just how inbox friendly your mailer is before sending. It gives us a full breakdown of the Spam Assassin point scoring structure and how our email fared against each of this. Next up, we have the sender profile verification. This section looks at our sending domain name and if we've verified it. Again, the info button gives us everything we need to know, including a link on how to verify your sending domain. Next up, we have some advice on the best mailbox type to use. Spam filters will mark you down for using a generic send from address, such as sales at. So it's much better to use an address such as Jamie at. The next tile shows us spam reports. These are recipients who may have previously logged your email as spam. The likes of Outlook will record these, store them, and mark you down for future sends. Moving along, the next tile shows us any broken links. Again, the info button will identify these. Broken links can also carry a spam rating. The next tile will show us any spam phrases contained within our mailer. If you've got phrases inside your mailer, then your recipient's email server may think it is spam related. This could pretty much guarantee poor delivery or bad inbox placement. Spam Score will scan a huge database of known phrases and identify them, and identify what sentence they were used in within your mailer. This is a really handy tool to help identify any issues with the body of your mailer. The next tile looks at the amount of images that we have versus the amount of text. Many spam filters will penalise a mailer that has more images than text, so by using Spam Score we can quickly check this. Next up we have blacklists. Spam Score will do a quick lookup of all the addresses contained within your mailer and let you know if any of these have been listed on a blacklist. A blacklist can have quite a negative impact on your delivery rates. In the last box, Spam Score will run a quick check on your sending domain. Many free email service providers such as Yahoo and Gmail will not allow the use of their email address for commercial email marketing. Okay, so that's a quick run through of Spam Score. It's a great tool to help you achieve and maintain great inbox placement, all before you've sent a single email.